Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. Yes, I know I've done a bunch of these, but they are that good, and I just absolutely love them. As you know, on my personal channel, I just revealed that I did buy a Hellcat. This was very, very close in the running. I almost bought one of these. They're that good, and I love them. This one here, relatively mild spec, 64-815. You have your proactive pack. This one has the non-appearance pack wheels, which some people, I've kind of asked everybody at the dealership which you like better. It's basically 50-50 toss. Slate gray over Monaco red with black accents. Slate gray is really, really nice. I don't know how it's coming across on camera. It's definitely like a gray blue. But in person, you can definitely tell it's a blue tint. Some great metallic flake in this paint, too. There's your Monaco red, black accents. Carbon fiber trim. Sunroof. .360 backup camera. Let's go for a drive. So, basic facts. 3-liter twin-turbo V6, same motor that's found in the new Nissan Z. 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. It's made it to the 7-speed automatic. No manual option in the Q60, unfortunately. But that's not really the segment they're going for. And trust me, I did ask our factory rep if they were considering it, and they said that just the take rate, you know, they did a survey and the take rate just wasn't there. I think he told me it was something like 5% of the buyers would buy a manual, and it doesn't make sense to do all that R&D for 5%. The Q60 is very, very much a grand touring more than a sports-focused car, but it's very, very good at both. It's I've driven a couple of these, taken them home for the night, and kind of driven a good amount of miles in these now. And I like I said, I almost bought one. I love it. It's a perfect daily driver. You got all-wheel drive for the New England winters. I mean, there's not much more you can be wanting, and if you want more power, the aftermarket for these is huge, and with some simple bolt-ons, you're pushing over 500 wheel, and that's some proper numbers. Oh yeah, that's quick. Alright, so this one does have proactive. There we go. Oh man, these are nice. These are really, really nice cars. I know for the Q50 for 2022, direct adaptive steering, the steer-by-wire is gone. I don't know if that's the case on the Q60 or not. I'm assuming it is. But even so, they've tuned DAS so well that I really can't tell the difference. I mean, if you drove back to back, maybe. But I mean, that is just awesome. I will say flat out, I think these cars are not talked about enough. Everybody's freaking out over the 400Z when it's existed in this car. You know, it's funny when I talk to some car enthusiasts, I'm like, oh yeah, I was considering a Q60 Red Sport. They're like, what's that? Some people haven't even heard of these cars. And it's really a shame. It really is a shame because these cars are absolutely phenomenal. And I think for New England, I should see a lot more of these as daily drivers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.